In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Yahoo email account. Setting up an email account is an essential skill, whether you're looking to manage personal communication, professional correspondence, or anything in between. A Yahoo email account offers a user-friendly interface, reliable service, and ample storage, making it a great choice for all your emailing needs. To start off, open your internet browser and visit the Yahoo account creation page by entering the URL https://login.yahoo.com/account/create. This is the official page where Yahoo guides you through the process of setting up your new email account. Once you're on the page, you'll see a form asking for some personal details. Begin by filling in your first and last name. Your name will help personalize your account and make it recognizable to others. Next, you'll need to choose your desired email address. Think of a unique combination that might include your name, numbers, or characters that are easy for you to remember but difficult for others to guess. After you've decided on an email address, it's time to create a strong password. Make sure your password is a blend of letters, numbers, and special symbols to enhance security. Avoid using easily guessed words like password or sequential numbers such as 1223456. Now, you'll be asked to enter your phone number. This step is crucial as it serves a dual purpose. Firstly, it helps verify your identity, ensuring you are a real person and not a bot. Secondly, it acts as a recovery option if you ever forget your password or have trouble accessing your account. Make sure to use a number you'll always have access to. Following that, you'll need to provide your birth date. This information is used to ensure you meet the age requirements for account creation and also offers an extra level of identity verification. You also have the option to provide your gender, though this is optional. Once you've filled in all your details, go ahead and click Continue. Yahoo will now send a verification code to the phone number you entered earlier. Keep an eye out for a text message with this code. It usually arrives instantly, but if there's a delay, give it a couple of minutes. Enter the code in the space provided on the web page, and you're almost there. After successfully entering the verification code, you'll receive a confirmation message indicating that your Yahoo email account is ready to use. Congratulations! You've created a Yahoo email account, opening up a world of communication and organization opportunities. Feel free to start exploring Yahoo Mail's intuitive interface, customize your settings, and start emailing right away. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing!